As Virgin River devotees are immersing themselves in the roller coaster of Season 5 Part 1 on Netflix, the burning question on their minds is undoubtedly when does Season 5 Part 2 hit the screens? Fret not because we've got the scoop you've been yearning for. Season 5 of Virgin River is turning out to be an absolute gem. It's artfully weaving intricate storylines for our beloved main cast, the likes of Alexandria Breckenridge, Martin Henderson, Annette O'Toole, and Tim Matheson. The town in this season grapples with the looming threat of a devastating wildfire. This 10-part saga puts our favorite characters through relentless trials, displaying the indomitable human spirit when adversity strikes. This emotional, heartwarming drama, inspired by Robin Carr's novels, takes us on a picturesque journey that serves as a perfect dose of soap opera-style escapism. But this season goes a step beyond. It unfolds more heartbreak, health scares, and dangles some major unresolved mysteries that are bound to unravel in the final 2 episodes. So here's the lowdown on what we know about Season 5 Part 2 of Virgin River. Virgin River Season 5 Part 2 will grace our Netflix screens on November 30, 2023. The good news is fans won't have to endure a long wait for their Virgin River fix. Netflix is dropping 2 holiday episodes this year, episodes 11 and 12 titled The More the Merrier and Father Christmas respectively. These festive treats will be ready to stream in less than 2 months. It's highly likely that these jolly episodes will pick up where episode 10 left off, with a time jump of 4 months to Mel and Jack decorating their cabin for Christmas. The Season 5 Part 1 finale left us with a treasure trove of bombshells and tantalizing plot threads for the upcoming episodes. The raging fire has unearthed a mysterious buried body, suspected to be Wes, Paige's ex-husband, accidentally killed by Paige with Preacher's help. Jack and Mel's plans to buy Lily's farm and start a family might be in jeopardy as Joey, Mel's sister, spills the beans about their mother's past love interest in Virgin River, possibly Mel's father. Denny confesses his wanderlust desire just as Lizzie drops the pregnancy bombshell. Will they stick together or choose different paths? Lizzie is now firmly rooted in town, so the next episodes might shed light on their fate. Calvin's surprise return and the revelation that he's the twins' father mean that the drama surrounding him is far from over. Carmine's long-awaited delivery will unveil the truth about the twins' parentage, pushing Jack to confront the weight of her past deceit. Vernon has handed over his practice to Cameron due to his worsening eyesight affecting patient care. Their relationship has had its fair share of turbulence, so the transition will be intriguing to watch. However, it seems probable that all these threads will neatly tie up in the upcoming 2-parter, leaving plenty of material for the confirmed 6th season. Producer and writer Erin Cardillo teases that there will be a lot more questions and cliffhangers in Season 5. As for what's in store for the holiday episodes, Martin Henderson shares some tantalizing hints: ice skating, snowflakes, the Sheridans visiting town, and a Sheridan family Christmas rife with drama, courtesy of his parents' divorce. Jack and Bree will find themselves meditating peace. In his own words, it's your typical Virgin River Christmas. This is all for this video. Thank you for staying till the end.